Good morning students. Welcome back to Maths online class. Today we are going to see the continuation of the first chapter set language. So take your first chapter note and write it down. Now we are going to see distributive property. For any three sets A, B, C, then first one, A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. This is called what? Intersection over union. Okay, second one, second law is A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Okay, that means union over intersection. In lower class we have studied distributive property of multiplication over addition on numbers. Okay, that means that is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C, isn't it? In same way we can define distributive property on this set like this. Okay, A intersection B union C instead of into, then here plus. Okay, multiplication over addition means here into, here plus it will come. Okay, that same way here A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Have you understood? That means intersection over union. Okay, over union. Okay, then here union over intersection. That means the first itself here A union into, then bracket B intersection C is equal to A union B, this intersection, then A union C. Have you understood? Then the help of this property you have to do the sum. Okay, first one, example 1.21. If A is equal to set of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. B is equal to X such that X is a prime number and X less than 11. Okay, and C is equal to X such that X belongs to N and 5 less than or equal to X less than 9. Then verify A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Okay, that means which property? Second property. Union over intersection. Union over intersection. Okay, then how we can find? First one, solution. What is given here? A is equal to set of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, then B is equal to here which form is given? Set builder form is given, isn't it? How to convert into the roster form. Okay, X such that X is a prime number and X less than 11. Less than 11, what are the numbers? What are the prime numbers? 2, very good. 2, then 3, 5 and 7. Okay, any other numbers? No, isn't it? Then and here less than 11 is given. So less than or equal to 11 means 11 also you should take it. Okay. Then and C is equal to X such that X belongs to capital N. That means natural number. And 5 less than or equal to X less than 9. X, what are the numbers? 5. Start from this 5 less than or equal to given. So you have to write and C is equal to 5. Then next number is 5, 6, 7, 8. Up to 8. Why means here less than 9 is there. Okay. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you clear? These are given. Okay. Given A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to. Okay. Then here verify. Our question is verify. Left hand side what is given? Left hand side A union B intersection C is given. A union B intersection C is there, isn't it? Union over intersection. Union over intersection. Okay. Then left hand side what is given? Write it. Left hand side. Okay. Then A union B intersection C. Okay. Then here you see inside the bracket what is there? B intersection C, isn't it? B intersection C. First we have to find. B intersection C means what are the B elements? 2, 3, 5, 7. Very good. Then here which is symbol? Intersection. Intersection. Then C is 5, 6, 7, 8. Both intersection you say. Which is common? Here common element is, say which is common. Here which is common? 2 is not in C set. Okay. Then 3 also not in here. Then 5 is common. Both also there. So we have to round. Okay. Then 7, here also 7 is there. 7 round, here also 7 round it. Okay. Then what are the common elements? 5 and 7. Any doubt? Then left hand side what is given? A union B intersection C is equal to, what are the A elements? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Very good. Then here symbol is union, isn't it? Then union. Then B intersection C is 5, 7. Okay, both union is together. All elements together we have to write. Then all elements together. Then you say 0, 2, 4. Then 5 is there. Arrange it and write. 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you clear? Then this is equation number 1. Okay, left hand side over. Then right hand side. Then RHS. That means left hand side. This is left hand side. This is right hand side. Okay. Right hand side what is given? A union B intersection A union C. Okay. Then A union B. A union B intersection A union C. Okay. These two are equal, we have to prove. Okay. Then inside the bracket what is given? A union B. Okay. Then A union B is equal to set of, what are the A elements? What are the A elements? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then union B is 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Then union means then A value and B value both together we have to write. Okay. What are the elements you say? 0, 2, then 3, 4, 5 is there, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then afterwards inside the bracket A union C also given, isn't it? A union C is equal to, what are the A element? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Union. Then C is 5, 7, 6, 7, 8. Both union is together we have to write. 0, 2, then 4, 5 is there, 5, 6 both also available. One time you should write in. Then 7, 8 both also available. Then one time you should write it. Okay. This is A union C. Okay. Then A union C. and here right hand side we want to find A union B, then intersection A union C. Okay, here A union B, what are the elements we got? 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here symbol is intersection. So intersection. Then A union C is 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both intersection you say, which is common? 0 is common. Okay, both also 0 is available. Round it. Then 2 also common. Round it. Then 3 is not in second one, isn't it? 4 is common. Then 5 common, round. Then 6 also common. 7, very good. Then 8 also. Have you understood? Then here rounded elements we have to write here. Okay. Then which is what are the elements common? 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Any doubt? This on right hand side over. This is equation number 2. We should take it. Now we should compare it. Equation number 1 and 2. These two are equal or not equal? Here what 0 is there, here also 0. 2 is there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both also available. Okay. So from 1 and 2 we can written as from 1 and 2. 1 and 2 we get. From 1 and 2 we get A union, right, left hand side is equal to right hand side. That means A union B intersection C is equal to A union B, then intersection A union C. Okay, have you understood? So it is verified. Okay, the question is then verify A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Okay, hence verify. Hence verify. Hence verify. Have you understood? Any doubt? Next, example 1.22. Verify A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C using Venn diagram. Your question is using Venn diagram we have to verify. Okay, then solution. Here Venn diagram, here A, B, C is given. Okay, A, B, C. Okay, 3 sets are given. So, we have to take 3 sets. A, first set is A. Shall we give the name? This one A. Here B, C. Have you understood? If you did not write A, B, C means you won't get mark. Okay. So, be careful. And this A, B, C, you must write it. Okay, here also A, B, C. Then 3 set. This is A set, B set, then C set. Have you understood? First we have to find, here left hand side we can take. Okay, left hand side, have to take A intersection B union C. Okay, left hand side what? A intersection B union C is given, isn't it? First we have to inside the bracket what is given? B union C. First we have to shade B union C portion. B union C. Okay, B union C. We have to shade. Then Here how we can shade B portion and C portion. Okay, B set and C set together we have to shade. Okay, so we have to shade B and C. B portion, B and C fully we have to shade. Have understood? B portion and C portion fully we have to shade. Then next one is given A intersection B union C. A intersection B union C. Okay, A intersection. A means this and this fully it will come. Okay, A set is this much area it will come. Okay, but B union C means this B and C fully. Okay, both intersection which area it will come. Then A means fully. Okay, B intersection C means this area fully. Okay, so this two common area is, okay, common portion is this one. Okay, this portion only common it will come. Have you understood? Any doubt? A means this much area. Then B union C is this portion. Okay, these two common. These two common places, this area. Then this portion only it will come. Have you understood? That is equation number 1. You should equation diagram number 1. You should take it. Okay, left hand side 1 you should take it. Next one. Right hand side, like this, right hand side we have to write. Then right hand side, what is given? A intersection B, then union A intersection C. Have you understood? Then here also 3 sets. Okay, so we have to take this set is A, B, C. First we have to find inside the bracket what is given. A intersection B. A intersection B we have to draw. Then next one A intersection C. So here also we have to take A set, B set, this one C set. Then A intersection C. Okay, inside the bracket A intersection C is there. Then next one right hand side fully what is given? A intersection B, then union A intersection C. Here also name here A set, B set, C set. Have you understood? Here A union B. First we have to see A union B portion. How we can shade? Here A intersection B. A portion, this is A set and this is B set. Have you understood? This is A set, B set. Both also common area is here. This much area, this much portion it will come. Are you clear? Here A set, this one B set. Both also common. Here middle part only it will come. Have you understood? The next one A intersection C. A set and C set. You have to take. Okay, A set and C set. Both intersection is both common places. This area it will come. A and C. Are you clear? A set and C set. Okay, common. This portion only it will come. Okay. Next one, left hand side fully we have to take. A intersection B union A intersection C. Okay. A intersection B union A intersection C means then A intersection B, this portion only, both union. Union means what? Together we have to shade. This portion and this portion. Together we have to shade. Okay, that means here A intersection B, which portion, and this portion, middle portion only it will come. Okay, Then A intersection C is what? This area. Okay. So this portion also have to shape. Have you understood? That is diagram number 2 we should take it. Okay. From equation number and then from diagram number, not equation, this one, from diagram number 1 and 2 we get what we will get. Then A, what's the question? Here left hand side what is there? A intersection B union C is equal to this two diagram. Equal or different? Equal. Both also equal. Shaded portion here both also equal, isn't it? From 1 and 2 then we get A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B then union A intersection C. Any doubt? Is verified. Is verified. It is verified. Have you understood? Any doubt? Then one more question. Exercise 1.5. First one. Using the adjacent Venn diagram, find the following sets. Find the following sets. First one, here one Venn diagram is given. Here elements also given. Okay. Then first one is A minus B. Okay, A minus B. Here you see this is A set. A set, what are the elements are given? Minus 1, minus 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay. B elements, what are the elements? Minus 1, minus 2, 5, 7, 8. Okay. Then C elements, minus 2, 0, 3, 8, minus 3. Okay. Then here universal set means all elements. Okay. All elements it will come. Here 1, 2, here A set value B, C. Then all elements it will come. Have you understood? With the help of this Venn diagram, you have to find this answer. Okay. Then first one is A minus B or A different B. A difference B. Then A difference B. Then how we can find? Then except this B. Have you understood? Except this B, remaining A set. Have you understood? Then except this B set, okay, except this area, then remaining A values, what are the elements? What are the elements? 4, 3, 6. Are you clear? Yes, 3, 4, 6. Any doubt? Okay, this only A. What are the elements? 3, 4, 6. This is A minus B. Second one, B minus C. B minus C. B minus C means then except C, remaining except C, okay, remaining B values. Except this C, okay, then remaining B values. What are the values? Minus 1, 5, 7. Are you clear? Except this C, then remaining B values. What are the values you say? What are the elements? Minus 1, 5, 7. Any doubt? Then third one, A dash union B dash. Okay, A dash union B dash. Directly we cannot find here. So first we have to find, then A dash. Okay, dash means here complement, isn't it? Complement means then universal set it will come. Okay, then that means A dash means then universal set minus A. Universal set U minus A is the formula, isn't it? U minus A. That means then except A, have you understood? Then except A, remaining universal set. What are the elements it will come? 1, 0, minus 3, 2, 8, 7, 5. These are the elements it will come, isn't it? Then, shall we check once? Then universal set, what are the universal set here? 1, 2, then 4, 6, 3, minus 1, minus 2, then 5, 7, 5, 7, then 8, 0, then next one, minus 3. Very clear? 2 also we written. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then minus A set. A, what are the elements? What are the elements you say? Here minus 1, minus 2, then 3, 4, 6. Okay. Then that means here it is not in A, but it is in universal set. Okay. What are the elements? How we can find? Minus 1 is in universal set. So we have to cut this one. Okay. Then minus 2 is in universal set. Okay. This 2 we can cancel. Then 3 also in universal set. This 2 we can cancel. 4 also here. Then 6 also cut it. Okay. Remaining universal set. What are the elements you say? What are the elements? 1, then 2, okay, then 0 minus 3 is there, isn't it? So starting at 0, minus 3, then 5, 7, 8. Okay, these are the elements we got. Okay, then next B dash we have to find. Like this, B dash also we can find. B dash is equal to universal set minus B. Okay, universal set minus B. That means directly also we can find here. Then that means here except this B portion remaining universal set fully we have to write. Like that also we can do. Then one time we have to write. We have to check. Okay. Then universal set. What are the universal set you say? Then already we wrote here 1, 2, 4, 6, 3, minus 1, minus 2, 5, 7, then 8, 0, minus 3. Okay. Then minus B set. B, what are the elements? You say from the Venn diagram we have to write minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, then 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8. That means here except this B set, remaining universal set. Minus 1 is in universal set. So, shall we cut? These two cancel. Minus 2 also in universal set, cancel. 5 is in here. Okay. Then 7 is in B set. Then this one also we have to cancel. Then 8. Which is not in B, which is not in B set, these are the elements. Okay. So, you have to write what are the elements you say, which is not in B, but it is universal set, it is available. Then 1, 2, then 0, minus 3, 4, 3 also we can write, isn't it? Here, 3 also we can write. 3 is there. Next one, 4 is there. 4, 6. How many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay. Then here A dash we got, B dash also we got. Then our question is what? A dash union B dash. A dash union B dash. So A dash union B dash is equal to A dash, what are the elements? 1, 2, 0, minus 3, 5, 7, 8. Okay, this union B dash is, what are the elements? 1, 2, 0, minus 3, then 3, 4 and 6. Okay, both union is, then union together we have to write. Okay, then shall we arrange these numbers? First we have to write minus 3. Okay, minus 3 both also available, so minus 3 we have to write. Next number is 0. Shall we write 0? The next one 1. Any negative value? No, isn't it? Next value is then 1, 2. Next 1, 2, 3 is there, 4 is there, 4, 5, then 6, 7, then 8. Have you understood? Are you clear? Next, fourth subdivision, A dash intersection B dash. Okay, then A dash, fourth one, A dash intersection B dash is these two common, A dash and B dash. Which is common? 0 is there, minus 3 is there, that both common we have to write. Okay, 0, minus 3, then 1 and 2 is common, 1 comma 2 is common. Any other? 1, 2 is common, minus 3. Remaining any numbers? No. Okay, these are the numbers, common elements. Okay, then fifth one, B union C the whole dash. Okay, B union C the whole dash. That means B except B union C remaining elements. Except this B union C elements, then remaining what are the elements? 1, 2, 4, 6. Are you clear? Then 1, 2, 4, 6. Shall we write directly? Or steps need? Then I am giving steps. B union C. B union C is equal to, then B union C, what are the elements are there? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, then 0, then minus 3 is there, then 5, 7, 8. Okay, B union C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements. Okay, then B union C the whole dash. That means here universal set difference, universal set difference B union C, universal set difference B union C. Okay, universal set means here fully. Okay, except this area remaining. Then see the Venn diagram and say 1, 2, 4, 6. Okay, then 1, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 4, 6. Any doubt? Then sixth one, A difference B union C. Okay, A difference B union C. Already B union C we found, isn't it? Then equal to, what are the A elements? A elements are from the diagram we can write here minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, then 3, 4, 6. Okay, difference B union C already we got, isn't it? B union C is minus 1, minus 2, 0, minus 3, 5, 7, 8. Okay, then minus 2 is in A set, so you have to cancel. Then minus 2 also in A set, you have to cancel. Then 3 is not in here, then 4 is not there, leave it. Then 4, 6, isn't it? Okay, then what are the elements it will come? 6 and 3. The 3 is in B union C, Whether 3 is in A set? Yes, isn't it? B union C, already we wrote minus 1, minus 2, B union C, shall we check minus 1, minus 2, then minus 3 is there, 0 we written, then 3 we did not write, okay, 3 also we have to write, 3, okay, so B union C is minus 1, here 3 also it will come, okay, so this 3 also you have to cancel, okay, 3 also you have to cancel. Remaining what are the elements? Remaining A set values. Okay, remaining A set. What are the elements are given? 4 and 6. Okay. Here, then remaining elements, then common elements we cancel, isn't it? Remaining elements also we have to cancel. Otherwise, you will confuse here. Okay, remaining B union C also should cancel. Okay, otherwise this element also together you will write. Okay, then what's the meaning here? A minus B union C means except B union C. Okay, remaining A set. Remaining A set 4 and only 4 and 6. Okay, next one. Seventh question is, seventh subdivision. A difference, okay, A difference B intersection C, B intersection C. B intersection C already we did not find, isn't it? So, you have to check B intersection C. Okay, B intersection C is equal to B and C. Which portion is common? B and C. B and C. This area is common. Minus 2 and this 8. Minus 2 and 8 is common. Minus 2 and 8. Okay. Then now we have to find then A difference B intersection C. Then equal to what are the A elements? Here already we wrote, isn't it? Minus 2, minus 1, 3, 4, 6. Then difference, this symbol minus. Then B intersection C is minus 2 and 8. Minus 2, 8. Then shall we cancel this one? Minus 2, both also, here also available. Okay. Shall we cut? Then remaining what are the elements? Minus 1, 3, 4, 6. Very clear? Then this 8 also. 8 is not in, then A set, isn't it? This also we have to cancel. No need for us. Okay. Then what are the elements we need? Okay. Then remaining A elements. Except B intersection C. And then A elements minus 1, 3, 4, 6. Have you understood? Any doubt? Next 2 questions shall I give homework? Then exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5. Second question and third question. Okay. Second question and third question. I am giving homework for you. Homework exercise 1.5. Second question and third question. Second one is same, and the same model only. Listen here. If K is given, instead of A, here K is given. Instead of B, L is given. Then instead of C, M is given. That's the difference. Okay. Then find the following: K union L intersection M. Okay. That means the number 1, first one, you find out L intersection M find out. Okay, which is common, you write it. Then afterwards K union L intersection M you should find out. Okay, second one also like that only, K intersection L union M first find out, then together you find out. Like that here also third one, K union L and then intersection K union M. Okay, separately you should find out which is common, you find here also like that only. Then and verify distributive law. Okay, then here one answer you will get, here also one answer, then 4 answers you will get, isn't it? You should check it. Okay, maybe this 2 equal answer it will come. first and third equal answer you will get. So we can write what? We can verify distributive law. Okay, this one equal to K union L intersection M is equal to K union L. This one you will get. Okay, like that second and fourth equal you will get. So verify distributive law. Like that you should write the answer. Okay, third one also one distributive law. Only you want to verify. Okay, here set builder form is given. The third question is set builder form given. You find out the roster form. Then afterwards you apply that property and find out distributive property. You apply and find it. Okay. Then two question. Check it. You do homework today itself. You should complete it. Okay. Then today. Three problem we studied, isn't it? Three sums we studied. That three also maybe ask for 5 more questions. Okay. Then Venn diagram, everything very important question. So don't omit. Okay. Again you should practice. Then only you can do. Okay, dear children. Then if you have any doubt, you can ask. You can call me in the doubt clearing session. Thank you, students.